explain to me how the rapture theory originated and has become commonly accepted as the truth, I would be most grateful, and I'll be happy to tell you where it originated. In fact, I can note we offer 2 books here at the chapel. You don't need to order both of them. One is a slimline version of Dave McPherson's work. It's called Incredible Cover-Up. Another one, which goes into much more detail, but it contains everything the first one does, is called Rapture Plot. In the year of our Lord 1830, a woman by the name of Margaret MacDonald had a dream. And even in her own description, she said it felt evil. And when she got through with her dream, she told a couple of preachers who were standing nearby, and bingo, there you go, they're off and running with the rapture theory. You know what's amazing to me is over the centuries and centuries, thousands of years of scholars and biblical analysts and everything else, before 1830, you don't read anything about the rapture. So it kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? It does me. Anyway, I'm out of time. I want you to know we've got, I love you because you enjoy studying our Father's Word in depth, even the book of Leviticus. You love studying, and I appreciate you hanging in there with me. I know